Morning guys, March 31st, 2026. I got a call from a lady. She got a tub that won't drain, won't go down. I don't know if it's the trip mechanism that's an issue or the tub's blocked. I'm not sure yet. I guess we'll find out when I get there. I worked for this lady in the past. She's retired, retired school teacher, I guess. I wonder how she likes the retirement. I think she used to work for like a university or something. She's probably missing all the left-wing activity over there on the campus, I'm sure. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there. Set up the shitter cam and see if we can get some shots.
But my mother, of course, does not fit that threshold. She's
That should back off of there. It's not wanting to. I'm gonna have to put a new one on there. That cap should pop off of there. But should be a flipping screw in there. I think should unscrew, yeah.
It unscrewed?
Yeah, I got it off. I got a new one in the truck. I got it to come off. We're gonna try to maybe put a little water in there and hit it with the plunger, maybe. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping a prayer.
Okay. So you just turned it, because I kept turning it. So
What is it?
you just kept turning it to the right? I mean, to unscrew it?
Yeah, I was able to unscrew it.
I couldn't. Alright. It didn't say that in YouTube to keep unscrewing. It said at the top. And they said there was something underneath it. You need a screwdriver.
Well, a lot of them are like that, but this one is not, so you can't always go by. You must have missed all the left-wing activity there at the flipping. No? You missing all that left-wing activity?
Well, no.
No?
I'm not missing it.
I'm sure you ain't. I gotta get a rag down in there if I'm gonna hit it with a plunger. Hopefully the plunger will do it.
I put a little bit of a cleaner in it, but I know that you didn't have to grease, but I didn't put a whole bunch.
I gotta get the rag down in there, and time for a new rag anyway. This one's getting a little gamey. We'll try to put a little water in there and see if we could some plunger action going and see if we can get it to go down. That's my game plan before we start. It's going down, but slow, right?
Yeah. When I take a shower, it takes about an hour or so before it empties.
There it goes. It's going down now. Probably a little bit of, what are you using for shampoo and stuff? Sometimes that stuff can get overwhelming, all that shampoo you put in there, and the soapy stuff. It's going down. Yeah, it's going down. Let me just kind of give it a little helping hand here. Swirling, that's what we want. See that swirl?
Yeah, I see it.
That's what we want, a little swirl action. See it?
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, right? Yeah, no. All the stuff
Yeah,
that's
weren't you
going
working
on.
you were working as a kind of teacher or something, right?
Yeah, I was teaching at the community college, and things just got crazy there. You know, we used to have, they had 5 campuses, and we used to have like 19,000 people. We're now at 11,000.
Well, yeah, because
People not going to school, they can't afford it, things like that, so they want to keep people's money, so they basically told the staff that we basically couldn't fail them. And I'm like, I can't subscribe to that. You know, having people pass work, they can't comprehend. I'm like, I can't do this. So I said, leave it to other people. And then they got rid of about 250.
they're kind of fine-tuning everything.
Yeah, they got rid of the senior faculty because we knew how it worked. And they brought all these younger kids in there and basically told them they had 3 years to go for tenure. And if they didn't get it, they were fired. And part of their...
Alright, we're going to try running the shower and see if it goes down. Hopefully it does.
I had that problem before.
Never had that problem before?
Never.
Well, might be all that hair you got going. Might be losing all your hair. No? You're losing your shit down the drain there. Are ya? It's going down.
As they say, as you get older, your hair starts to thin.
Yeah, you start losing it.
Yeah. Well, my cat also, he drinks out of here.
Maybe he's taking some cat shits in here and getting stuck in there. Yeah, little sucker. Going down. I can see it going down good too, so that's what we want. Backing up. Yeah, sometimes you get some water in there like I did, hit it with a plunger. But you gotta block the drain up the top there, because if not, it'll just like come up here.
Oh.
That's the secret. I'm giving you my little secrets.
I was gonna say, you know all the secrets. That's why I called you.
Yeah. So this thing is. Yeah, that should be fine. You just have to turn it. See it?
Yeah.
It's working. Don't want to reinvent the wheel here, do we?
No. I just want the water to go down.
I don't want to reinvent the wheel here on your salary.
No.
Right? Yeah.
And you don't believe, they don't tell you all the stuff, and it's just like, oh my goodness. So if the taxes that you have to pay, and the supplementals that you have to do.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if this thing's even gonna work. I might have to put a new one on there. It's not. Do you ever use this thing for the tub? It's not going down anymore. I have to put a new one on. I got new ones in the tub.
It'd be fine if you didn't, because I really don't use the tub.
You don't use the tub?
No.
You're not too concerned about it?
I'm not.
It's not going to work. It's not going to fill the tub up. You don't care? You don't care?
No.
All right. I'll put it back in there then, because it's not working. If you want it to work, I have to put a new one in there, but it's all right. In the shower. Make sure it goes down.
That one, it wouldn't work.
Huh?
That's fine if it doesn't.
It's not working. I mean, if you want, I'd have to replay. I got new ones in the truck, but
no.
You don't want to. You want a new one, so that's fine. All right, that's it.
Last year I owed a lot, and I'm like,